Today, Ian and I are going to attempt the sport of ice canoeing, which is unique to Quebec, practiced no other place in the world. Ice canoeing originated in the 1600s and was the only means of transportation across the St. Lawrence River when the ice was too thick for ferries, but too thin to walk across. Eventually, the invention of the steamboat, which was able to break through the ice, ended this era of functional ice canoeing. Now, ice canoeing has maintained significant heritage value in the form of a sport with organized races every year. Now it's time to see if Ian and I are cut out for the challenge, and afterward we will go to Quebec's oldest bar, L'Oncle Antoine, to warm up with drinks and snacks.
Getting dressed.
The company taking us out on the river today is Canoeing. With a cost of 350 Canadian dollars, they provide all instruction, special equipment, and river guides for the excursion.
So, first of all, ice canoe, we got 5 people in it, alright? There will be like 2 guys per boat and 3 of you, 3 participants, if I could say that. The guys are at the back, which is the captain, and the ice captain at the front. Why ice captain? Is because it's the person responsible for pulling the boat in the river or dealing with the direction when we scooter, which is the ice canoeing particularity. Alright? So, the captain is the only person that sees what's coming up frontward when we row. So the boat in my example is going in that direction. Okay? So you'll hear him tell you like some stuff like watch out for your oars, there's some ice coming, stuff like this, or take your oars in the boat when we're gonna do the transition. It's just like normal communication when we speak. So the captain, the rower have the same like position, like everybody has a carbon sliding seat, carbon oar, and a place to put your feet in. You'll figure this out outside because we're gonna practice on that, of course, before you go on the water. All right. Be careful on your oars. There is a little spike at the end, meaning that you can actually row on ice. Be careful because the oar are not, they cannot like, don't torque them too much, but you can still like go on if there's some little piece of ice like floating over. As you can see, like sometimes this is a mix of ice and water, so we're gonna go through that, but they are made for that. Alright? For the rowing movement, we'll figure this out in the boat by practicing. That will be much more like simple to do it over there. Alright? So when we're gonna encounter some ice play, you'll hear the captain says, yeah, take your oars in, we're gonna do the transition. Transitioning means people move from rowing to scootering position, alright? Scootering position, you have 2 places to put your knees in the side, so we are 2 by 2. My 2 backwards are there, my 2 forwards are there, alright? And the scootering, you see it on the screen, I have one leg inside the boat and the other one outside pushing on the ice with the crampons, so we get some speed. Alright? the boats are waxed just like cross-country skiing, except it's longer to do it. Alright, so what is important while scootering is always to keep the weight of your body a little more inside than outside the boat. Alright, so you never trust the ice, especially on warm day like on warm days like these days. It's never sure that the ice is gonna fall down over your foot or not. So don't try to go outside the boat and grab one. Just stay in the boat and keep the weight of the body inside. Right? Yeah, the boat are not going to capsize like kayaks or regular canoes. They're pretty wide. But if we put the weight of our body outside, like on one side, for example, at the same time, of course, the boat will be unbalanced. So in general, in ice canoe, it's all about like being together. The idea is not to be the strongest, the hero of the day. The idea is just to be together, synchronized. It's really the good thing to remember. So while we are rowing, the first rower set the pace, and all other people take the same pace than the first rower. Same thing while scootering. My 2 forwards will be giving the pace. The other guys in the back follow the pace. And when we do the transition, we communicate 2 by 2, right? The 2 backsword, are you ready? Yeah, we go. We do the maneuvers together so we can kind of put the weight of our body at the same time so the boat stay more stable. All right? You're not sleeping? You good? We know we're taking you out of your zone of comfort. That's what we like to do. But feel free in any moment. If it's too, if it's too fast, if you're uncomfortable, we are really there for you, so you have a great activity. We don't put pressure to go fast or stuff like this. So we just do it with our capacity. So yeah, just enjoy the ride after that. Good questions, or you guys okay? Yeah. What's the mood? You okay? All right. Watch out, Julie. Watch out, Audrey. Some eyes on your side. Like that. Let's go. Okay, so can you guys give me some power so we can go nice? Go ahead if you are ready, Audrey.
Are Audrey and I going together? Yeah. Okay.
Go ahead.
Oh, Jesus. You're doing it, Audrey. Good. Good job. What do you think? Tired? It's good. This is awesome.
Alright, that's good. So we can go back to rolling. Every time the forward, we're going to go first.
Yeah, Audrey.
Okay, that's good. So oars in. We gotta do the forwards first and then the backwards, alright?
How you feeling? I'm so tired.
You can try the ice.
Ooh.
Doesn't want to let the end of go.
I can try the ice! Someone else first! Watch out! Let's go together!
We're scootering. All right, let's win the race.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Whoa! Scoot, scoot, scoot. Keep scooting. Scoot, Audrey. We're winning. We're winning.
Good job, guys.
That was awesome.
Shall we move like...
We're just stopped here in the middle of the river. Got a little snack. How you feel? Good. Yeah, hard work though, huh?
Yeah.
Good cardio.
Somebody wants a bit of water? Oh, yeah. All right.
Apple, c'est juste de l'eau dans les thermos, c'est que il y en a qui veulent de
Little chocolate snack. Oh, that's exhausting. That's good. Thank you, thank you.
Quebec's oldest bar, L'Oncle Antoine, is a cozy old cellar with an inviting atmosphere where you can sample local brews and snacks while enjoying the curved stone walls and warm fireplace. Located on Rue Saint-Pierre's in one of Old Quebec City's original buildings, the bar is in one of the vaults once owned by Marie Anne Barbel, a prominent businesswoman in the 1740s. After a long morning on the icy waters, we were ready for a pick-me-up, and L'Oncle Antoine was the perfect remedy. I ordered a tasty fresh cider, while Ian ordered a maple whiskey and coffee. Everything on the menu for food looked amazing, and we ended up ordering the baked nachos, which were some of the best we've ever had. Packed with flavor and chewy, cheesy goodness, the nachos are a must. Got it. So if you're looking for a cozy place to warm up after your winter adventures, go check out L'Oncle Antoine, and they won't disappoint. Merci.